Viewers, well, I got this Downlight from a job I did last week. It was flickering and then it stopped working. It's a sour light. They make this company make nice lights. I've taken that front diffuser off it. It wasn't easy. Just punched a hole in it with a soldering iron so I get a hook in there and rip it out. Got the reflector backing off here. That's pretty much all there is to it. Little away like that. There's your power supply connections in there. And you can switch between the colours. 3, 4000 and 5700K. Your colour temperature there. I'm going to multimeter probe these outputs and see what voltage I get, if anything. So obviously I switch my power supply in there. 9 watts it uses. IP44 front only, dimmable too. Trailing edge dimmable downlight. These are nice lights, I do like these. A lot of people they install these for a lot of people now. We'll see what voltages, if anything, come off that. I'm going to get a multimeter on those, we'll see if anything comes off those. Here's my old Neef tester. So I've got to upgrade to a better one at some stage. Just do a test. The first priority is power there. Nothing there. I'm getting something. I'm getting something. It's detecting it's 240 volts there. I'm not giving me a reading though. Reverse polarity, is it? Let's try the negative probe. Nothing. The lights are flashing. Interesting little result I'm getting on here. Just careful to short nothing out. Nothing. Nothing. It's picking up power. They flash a little bit there, so we've got a power supply issue with this light. Interesting. What if I can convert this to DC and see what voltage is out of these operate at? And do a calculation, just run this shut off a DC. I got a 3D printed slide mount for this Makita or Milwaukee battery, whichever, and make a portable work light. That'd be cool. Speaking of Makita and Milwaukee power tools, I've got myself a Makita vacuum cleaner. The Milwaukee one, as far as I know, is not brushless, and that uses a hell of a lot of power. That eats the batteries like crazy. Now I could fit the 12 amp hour one in there. That fits in there nicely in the Milwaukee vacuum cleaner. I get a bit of extra runtime out of that. But this Makita one actually has the more advantage is it actually has a brushless motor in it. And actually uses less power than the Milwaukee one. And it's got two different power levels. And this is actually is on par for suction with the Milwaukee. It's only $10 cheaper than the Milwaukee, so it's on par with the Milwaukee. I decided to grab the Makita one because this is more solidly made than the Milwaukee one is. There's not that much difference between this and the Milwaukee. They're both on par with each other, so I've got the Makita. However, another advantage in a Makita, because it uses less power, and you can't get any bigger than the 6 amp hour. Generally with Makita batteries, Makita only got up to 6 amp hour, but because I got the 9 amp hour vanity battery, it actually performs pretty well on a vanity battery. I get a really good runtime out of the 9 amp hour vanity battery. The only thing is this lid doesn't close all the way. It only closes a third of the way closed. About there it will close. So I'll just clip the hinges off and leave it off to fit the 9 amp hour battery in there. Only sticks out about half a centimetre out. About there somewhere. It sticks out half a centimetre. Just level flush with the outer skin there. I'll leave this off. For the amount of increase in runtime I get, it's worth that just for that. Just leave the top off it. Do a lot of high voltage, not high voltage, but just 3-phase high powered switchboard maintenance, and you do a lot of cleaning in switchboards. So yeah, vacuum cleaner is pretty much used all the time with those sorts of jobs. Having a 9 amp hour battery though, I get a lot done with that rather than having to change all my batteries out. I do have two 6 amp hour batteries, but the amount of run time we get with a 9 amp hour, pretty impressive. This also has a washable HEPA filter, HEPA filter. The Milwaukee one's just got a regular paper filter, which you can't get wet. You've got to take that out when you're doing vacuuming like water. This one, though, you don't have to take the filter out. It's a washable filter, just like the Dyson's got. It's a nice touch. Anyway, that'll be enough for now.